CLSK stock analysis and price predictions for next week and onward. Is CleanSpark stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, having done over 43,000 videos, I have seen what's making me money and what is not. I'm not even exaggerating, it's all on my YouTube channel. And generally just looking at this, I'm so hype, definitely hype, because bias wise it's sitting very phenomenally. And the second break, the involvement is going to happen if the price pulls down just a tad bit more and breaks those highs. Then this is going to be the juiciest part. Still waiting though, you know, still not yet fully merged. I mean, the process and the strategy that I'm using is very simple. It's been refined over 5 years and 43,000 videos. You know, there's 2 games, getting inside a trade game, and then you manage that trade, right? And then we're in the first one, which again, both of them are dissected into 3 freaking rules, 3 steps. Very simple. Now, if you want to get my 10k month blueprint free and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. It's free.